Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best folding ladder is probably one of the most useful tools you can have around the house. It's perfect for reaching those high cabinets, changing light bulbs, or tackling any maintenance task. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 3-step folding ladders, exploring their features, benefits, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. HBTower 3-Step Folding Steel Ladder. Introducing the HBTower 3-Step Folding Steel Ladder, designed for your convenience. This upgraded ladder is made for you. It's perfect for various tasks around the house. This step stool is fully assembled and ready to use. It folds down to a mere 1.6 inches for easy storage and transport. You can easily carry it for indoor or outdoor use. The ladder features a high-grade steel frame for strength and reliability. A metal safety buckle automatically locks in place when in use. The back cross brace structure reinforces the basic support. It has non-slip rubber hand grips for easy climbing and carrying. Wide pedals with a non-slip rubber pattern provide excellent foot support. Big rubber feet ensure it stays firmly on the ground and prevents scratches. You'll receive 24-hour friendly customer service. If you have any problems, please contact us without hesitation. We are always here to help you. What we like. This ladder comes fully assembled, saving you time and effort. Its lightweight design and easy folding mechanism make it a breeze to carry and store. If you are looking for a convenient and portable solution for reaching those high places, you should consider this one. What people say. It's slip-resistant and lightweight, easy for me to handle. It's very well made, durable, and impressively stable. It's super easy to store and built with high-quality material with slip-resistant skids. Number 4. Delxo 2-Step Folding Ladder. This Delxo ladder arrives fully assembled, ready for immediate use. It's designed for convenience and ease, so you can start using it right away. The ladder's compact design makes it perfect for various tasks around the house. The ladder features a large, non-slip platform for secure footing. The locking mechanism and rubber feet prevent any shifting, ensuring your safety. It provides excellent support and prevents scratches on your floors. This ladder is incredibly lightweight and folds up easily for storage. It weighs only 6.8 pounds, making it easy to carry and transport. You can use it anywhere in your home, indoors or outdoors. This ladder is multifunctional, serving as a step stool or even a seat for small pets. It provides extra height for cleaning, painting, or reaching high places. It's a great addition to any home or business. Delxo step ladders come with a 1-year warranty after online registration. Customer service is available 24/7 to assist you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact them. What we like. This ladder is lightweight and folds up for easy storage and transport. It's also safety certified, giving you peace of mind. If you are looking for a versatile ladder that can be used in various scenarios, from cleaning to reaching high shelves, you should consider this one. What people say. Looks nice enough to leave out in the open. Well made, functional and good size. Works well. Looks like quality. Sturdy. Easily holds 300 pounds. Number 3. Best Choice 3-Step Folding Ladder. This 3-step ladder offers the perfect height for all your household tasks. It's designed to help you reach those tricky spots with ease and confidence. Built with a solid steel frame and anti-corrosion coating, this ladder can handle up to 330 pounds. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects, providing a safe and stable platform. The lightweight and foldable design makes it incredibly portable. It easily folds up for convenient storage in your closet or garage when you're finished. Whether you're cleaning, decorating, or doing outdoor chores, this ladder is your go-to solution. It's designed to make all your home projects easier and safer. With non-slip rubber feet, this ladder ensures stability on any surface. It provides a secure base, allowing you to focus on the task at hand with peace of mind. What we like. This ladder features a heavy-duty steel frame and a non-slip design for added safety. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to store. If you like a sturdy and reliable ladder for both indoor and outdoor use, you should consider this one. What people say. Great value, quality is top tier. Sturdy. Even my clumsy self feels safe on it. This stepladder is perfect for around-the-house projects. Sturdy and solid. Great size. I am 5'2" too and was able to reach the ceiling walls to finish painting, which are about 9 feet tall. I was able to reach high places and carry the stool around. Doesn't wobble and feels sturdy, and the weight feels like it will hold up great. Easily folds away. Definitely recommend. Number 2. SocTone 3-step ladder with handle. Introducing the SocTone 3-step ladder, designed to make your life easier. It's perfect for various tasks around the house, providing a safe and convenient way to reach higher places. This ladder is both lightweight and incredibly strong. It can support up to 500 pounds, and it folds up easily for storage. It's a reliable tool for any household. Safety is a top priority. The ladder features a safety lock design and a rust-resistant steel frame. Wide, non-slip pedals and a comfortable handle ensure a secure climbing experience. The SocTone ladder folds down to a compact size, making it easy to store. Use it in the kitchen, bathroom, office, or anywhere you need a boost. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions, please contact us. We offer 24-hour online after-sales service. What we like. This ladder boasts a high weight capacity and a safety locking mechanism for added security. It also features a comfortable handle for easy climbing. If you are looking for a stable and secure ladder for various household tasks, you should consider this one. What people say. Wow! What a great and solidly built ladder. Highly recommend. Very practical. Easy to use and store away. Very durable. Feel safe on this 4-stepper as handle tall and 3rd step no problem now. Get up and down it just fine. Opens and closes easily and lock works well. Shelf is very useful. Number 1. Cosco Max Steel Work Platform. This work platform features an easy-to-use, one-hand lock and release latch. It folds up quickly, making it ideal for various household projects. It's designed for your convenience. The project trays come with slots for tools, paint, and other materials. This helps you stay organized while you work. It keeps everything you need within reach. The platform has a large step with a slip-resistant tread design and slip-resistant feet. This provides a stable and secure base, so you can feel confident while working at heights. It's built for your safety. This platform meets ANSI standards for a Type 2 medium household workload duty rating of 225 pounds. It's designed to keep you safe during your tasks. You can trust its reliability. The product comes with a 10-year warranty. You can enjoy many years of reliable use with this sturdy work platform. It's a long-lasting investment. What we like. This work platform features a one-hand lock for easy folding and convenient project trays to keep your tools organized. The large platform step and slip-resistant design ensure stability and safety. If you are looking for a user-friendly and safe work platform for various projects, you should consider this one. What people say. Great sturdy ladder with nice wide steps, very sturdy, the 2 side railings are great to steady yourself. I like the top step ledge to put tools or a bucket on. A substantial and well-built step stool. The step is wide with ample space to stand, easily reaching 9-foot ceiling WO stretching the arms. The project tray is big and useful, a must-have IMO. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.